Blank presentation. Click on the blank presentation. When you click on blank presentation, you will see the basic layout of a PowerPoint presentation. The topmost bar of the PowerPoint window, which displays the presentation name, is called the title bar. The title bar contains a small toolbar called the Quick Access Toolbar that lets you quickly use common tools like Save, Undo, and Redo. The rectangular box below the title bar is called a ribbon. Inside the ribbon, you have all the necessary tools needed to create a PowerPoint presentation. In the ribbon, there are different types of tabs. File tab. The first one is the File tab. When you click on the File tab, you will see various options. The New option is used to create a new presentation. Open is used to open an existing presentation. The Save option is used to save a presentation, while the Save As option is used to save the presentation with a specific name at the desired location. You can print the presentation with the Print option. You can close the presentation with the Close option.